Here we're asked to find the sum of a geometric series. They tell us it's geometric. Do not add, you must use a formula. And the sum is 2 minus 8 plus 32 minus 128 plus 512. Okay, they told us it's geometric, so we are allowed to use note number 158. It's only good for geometric series, in other words, the sum of terms. The sum of the first n terms is given by this formula: s sub n equals a sub 1 times 1 minus r to the nth power over 1 minus r. Step 1, we're going to find all the pieces. Step 1, find n equals the number of terms. We count the number of terms in the question and we see n equals 5. Step 2, find a sub 1, which is equal to the first term. The first term in the given sum is a sub 1 equals the number 2. Step 3, find r, which is equal to the common ratio of the geometric sum. The common ratio is found by taking any term and dividing by the term that comes right before it. So we'll take negative 8 and divide it by the term that came before it, 2, to get negative 4. So the common ratio r is equal to negative 4. Step 4, find the sum. Now we're ready to use the formula s sub n equals a sub 1 times 1 minus r to the n over 1 minus r. With n, the number of terms, equal to 5. That implies s sub 5, the sum of the first 5 terms, is equal to the first term 2 times 1 minus the common ratio negative r in parentheses raised to the n equals 5 power over 1 minus negative 4 in parentheses. That's 2 times, the bottom is 5, the top is 1 minus, let's work it out on the side. It's negative 4 times itself on 5 with 5 different factors. Negative 4 times negative 4 is 16 times 16 times negative 4. That's negative 1024. So put that in here, negative 1024. Okay, we have a double negative, so s sub 5 equals 2 times 1025 over 5. Let's divide 1025 by 5. 5 goes into 10 2 times, subtract 10. 0 times, 5 goes into 25 5 times. So s sub 5 equals 2 times 205. It's equal to 410. So if you add those numbers they gave us at the top, they add up to 410. But we're not allowed to just add them up. We had to use this method. So you'll have to memorize a couple of formulas in clouds.